In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Drive file URL link to make a copy automatically. This is a super handy trick if you want to share files while encouraging others to make their own copies, ensuring the original remains unchanged and accessible only to you. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, head over to your Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Google Drive URL, or simply searching for Google Drive on your preferred search engine. Once you're in, look for the file that you wish to share. Once you've located your file, click to select it. At this point, the file should be highlighted, which means it's ready for the next steps. Next, look for the share icon, typically depicted by a person with a plus sign. Click on that icon, which will bring up the sharing settings. In the sharing settings menu, you'll initially see that the file is set to restricted. This means only you or other people you've already assigned access to can view it. You'll want to modify this to allow more expansive access, so click on the word restricted. This action will bring up another option below it. Here you should see an option that reads anyone with the link. Go ahead and click on it. With this setting, anyone who has the URL link will be able to access the file, which is exactly what we want as we plan to share it more broadly. Now, with the file set to be accessed by anyone with the link, the next thing you want to do is copy this shareable link. You'll find a button aptly labeled copy link. Click on it and this will copy the URL directly to your clipboard. With the link copied, open a new tab in your web browser, paste the link into the address bar. Now, here's where the magic happens. Focus your attention on the URL in the address bar. Amongst the characters, you'll see a section that says edit. You'll want to replace the word edit with the word copy. This URL tweak is pivotal as it automatically prompts users to make a copy of the document instead of heading straight into the edit mode. Once you have made that change, press enter. The page should refresh, leading you directly to a page with a button that prompts you to make a copy. Essentially, this is a gateway for the recipient to add their own version of the file to their Google Drive, leaving your original version unchanged. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a link that allows others to make a copy of a file from your Google Drive. This ensures your original work remains untouched, while providing a seamless way for others to obtain and work with their own copies. Happy sharing!